What's up, everybody? This is Eric from Music Computer Solutions. So we're right around the corner from the Galaxy S20. And a lot of people be asking me, easy, what about the Galaxy S10? Not too long ago, this was the win-all, be-all. Have we forgotten about the Galaxy S10? And I know a lot of us tech reviewers, we kind of shift to the latest and greatest. But we haven't forgot about the Galaxy S10. Of course not, because it's still relevant in 2020. Well, I'm going to give you 5 reasons why you might pick the Galaxy S10 Plus over the Galaxy S20. Sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So the Galaxy S10, a forgotten phone. The Galaxy S20 is probably going to be most people's phones of the year of 2020. But the Galaxy S10 has been a forgotten device. And a lot of people ask the question, why after a few months, when the phone gets released, it becomes a forgotten device? Look, on this YouTube channel, I try to keep things relevant. So the Galaxy S10, let's go and talk about the specs. And this is the 10 Plus. We got a huge 6.4-inch QHD Plus display. We got the Snapdragon 855. We got 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of internal storage. Listen, we got triple cameras on the back, dual cameras on the front. We got all the bells and whistles here with this device, a headphone jack, most important thing. So when it comes down to the specs, yes, the specs here is a beast. No matter what, it will run anything in the App Store, it will run it fast. Dex works great on this device. The cameras are great, the build quality is good. So look, everything about the Galaxy S10, 10 Plus 5G is all premium. But let me give you 5 reasons why you might want to pick this device over the Galaxy S20. So reason number 1, the design. Look, this phone is beautiful. We all know that the Galaxy S20 is going to have that huge stove design in the back, and a lot of people don't like it. And a lot of people love the design of the Galaxy S10. I mean, it has the triple cameras on the back, beautiful classic design. You got the metal around the sides. You got that curved edge with the display. You have a good premium feel in the hand. This device screams quality. So when it comes down to the design, that's one of the reasons why you might want to pick the Galaxy S10 Plus over the Galaxy S20. It's because of the design. This phone is beautiful. I mean, it is a classic collectible device overall. I love the design of the Galaxy S10 Plus. Looked like Samsung really paid a lot of attention to details when it came down to this device. So another reason why you might want to pick up the Galaxy S10 Plus over the Galaxy S20, this is a big one. Headphone jack. Listen, the Galaxy S20 would not have a headphone jack. That's huge to some people. Look, I know a lot of people may say, hey, easy, we are in the era of no headphone jack. Apple is doing it. Now Samsung is doing it. We have a lot of companies that's releasing devices with no headphone jack. That's the norm. You got to get used to it. But guess what? This phone is still relevant. This is one of the reasons why you might want to pick up a Galaxy S10 Plus. It's because of the headphone jack. Headphone jack is really important to some people. And guess what? The Galaxy S20 would not have a headphone jack. So, Galaxy S10, relevant device in 2020 because of the headphone jack. Okay, so number 3, and this is a good one, is software. I have 3 Galaxy S10s. I got the Galaxy S10e, Galaxy S10, Galaxy S10 Plus. 2 out of the 3 is running Android 10. So this device is running Android 10 with One UI 2. So this has the same software as the Galaxy S20. So when you look at the software, it's going to be the same. Of course, the Galaxy S20 is going to have something extra, some torque, something extra that's going to be an outstanding feature. Well, it's supposed to. So that may be a huge reason why you might want to pick the Galaxy S10 Plus over the Galaxy S20. It's because of the software. It's going to be running the same software. So, when you look at that price versus product versus, the Galaxy S10 versus the Galaxy S20, yeah, it's running the same software. So when it comes down to it, you might want to pick up the Galaxy S10 Plus because of Android 10 running on this phone.
The Chosen.
So let's talk about number 4. This is a huge one. Price. The price of the Galaxy S10 Plus right now in the used market is like $450 to $500. I haven't seen it for $399 in the used market. Listen, that's 60% over the cost of when this device released, not even a year ago as of me recording this video. Look, let's talk about it for a second. The Galaxy S20 Plus will be the $1,000 price point, the same as this device. So this device came out at $1,000, but right now in the used market or even brand new, you would not pay $1,000 for this device. Listen, Android phones depreciate very fast, and the same thing is going to happen to the Galaxy S20 after about 6 months. It's going to go from over the $1,000 price point to almost half off in a few months. And that's the reason why these phones become so forgotten, because after, you see all the tech reviewers, you see all us make all these videos, and all of a sudden people just kind of lose interest of it. I don't lose interest of none of these phones, but when you look at the price point, yes, it does dip very fast. And that's concerning, especially if you're the early adopters and buy the phone when it first come out at the 1,000 or 1,000 plus price point, and then you see it 3 or 4 or 5 months down the line and it's half off. Look, it's frustrating to the early adapters that you can get the same phone for half price and you just spent $1,000 for it. So yes, price is very important, and you could get the Galaxy S10 Plus for like $450. And if you even go to the Galaxy S10, it's even cheaper. The Galaxy S10e is, wow, I mean, a few $100, very cheap. When it comes down to the price, absolutely, the Galaxy S10 is a viable device, and it may be one of the reasons why you might want to pick a Galaxy S10 Plus over the Galaxy S20 is because of the price. All right, so let's talk about number 5. And I left this one because I know a lot of people gonna give me heat for this. Let's talk about it. The cameras. I believe that the cameras is one of the reasons why you might want to pick the Galaxy S10 Plus over the Galaxy S20. And one of the reasons is because of the design. A lot of people don't like the stovetop design. So the design going across the side there with the triple camera array may be one of the reasons why you might want to pick the Galaxy S10 over the Galaxy S20. Now look, as of me recording this video, the Galaxy S20 is not out yet. And we know that the Galaxy S20 will have 8K, it will have all the cameras in the back, it will have 108 megapixels, it would have all this and all that. But when it comes down to images, look, let me show you some images here with this device. And I mean, can it get better than what I'm about to show you? Check this out.
Downtown, I got that heat, let's go.
So let me give you my conclusion. The Galaxy S10 Plus, or even the Galaxy S10 or 10e, is definitely a viable device in 2020. Look, I talked about 5 things, but I could go into many more. Performance. This device performs very well. Everything in the App Store you don't have no problems with. So when it comes down to performance, the Galaxy S10 Plus will perform very well. I don't think you're gonna see any difference between the 855 and the 865. I mean, you're not gonna see that. Look, you're gonna see a very slim upgrade when it comes down to performance. A lot of people might say, well, it's gonna be 6 times better, 2 times better. This, look, man, day-to-day operations, you're not gonna see no slowdown, no hiccups with this device. And let's talk about DeX. Yes, DeX work very well on this device. So let's sum it up. The Galaxy S10 Plus or the Galaxy S, whatever device that you get, is gonna be great no matter what. But the Galaxy S10 Plus is under $500. They have a beautiful display. They have long battery life, which I haven't even talked about, battery life, right? It has a beautiful design. It has a headphone jack. It has a One UI 2 running Android 10. I mean, it has a lot of things running on this phone that's very good. So, should you buy a Galaxy S10 Plus in 2020 for $450 to $500? Hell yeah, I would definitely recommend this device in 2020 if you don't want to get a Galaxy S20. You know what I'm saying? The Galaxy S20 is going to be a great phone. Look, the Galaxy S20 probably going to be most people's phone of the year, just like the Galaxy S10 was most people's phone of the year. But this is not a forgotten phone. Right here on this YouTube channel, I would never forget the Galaxy S10. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the Galaxy S10 in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace. This is a great phone. This is a great phone. Later.